На здоровье.
На здоровье.
Happy winter. Oh, it's good. Hello, my sweet and brutal community. Tonight is -21, which really says that it's a deep winter, and I have to keep myself warm somehow. I have a few tricks to keep me warm. One of them, you know, it's a vodka. Second one, it's a herb tea. And third one, most precious and tasty one, it's a fat. Tonight I will use the duck fat, which I collected while chopping the very fatty, nice and soft ducky. Tonight I will need some duck parts, including the duck legs and some skin from the duck with some fat in it. It's very useful and very tasty. Also, I will use sauerkraut, which I showed you previously in my channel how to make it. Russian style sauerkraut. I will use carrot and 2 onions, and I will use the bay leaf, and perhaps I will use the regular kosher salt, or maybe not. It depends how salty our sauerkraut is, and black pepper. That's about it. So we're gonna start from the most precious thing. By my opinion, it's a fat. We have to chop it in little pieces and chop our skin off. We are starting with the fat because we don't use any oil or butter. So the chunks of duck fat going first. While our fat is frying, I will chop some carrot. Which will go next after our meat parts. So it's better to be ready. Don't cover it, because we don't need any moist, any kind of water or any other juice. We need just a pure fat. Next on line is gonna be your duck legs. Place it with the skin down. Sometimes I do cut the duck leg skin. This way the fat will go out much more easier. Oh well, while my duck is frying, I continue the process. I'm chopping my vegetables. Next on line is the onion. is going. Now it's good time to put onion as well. My house smells so good right now with all those caramelized vegetables and duck fat. Now it's a good time to add sauerkraut to our caramelized vegetables in the duck fat. The recipe of the sauerkraut Russian style you can find in my playlist probiotics. Also, I will put some attachment to this video under description or somewhere here or there to this video. Well, the first thing which will go in there, it's earlier removed pieces of fried duck skin, which is very crispy. I will mix all that together. And last what's going in, it's a crispy duck legs, which gonna be softened together with the sauerkraut, and all sauerkraut juice and other duck fat will come to the duck muscle. Yes. So all your hard duck meat, if it was not softened before that, it will not have any other choice as to get softer. And cover it, reduce your heat, and leave for 10-15 minutes. After that you have to check on it again. And here how I do serve my barbarian dinner. This is buckwheat, which is very healthy, doesn't have any gluten in it. After that, I'm gonna put this piece of duck and couple spoon of the cabbage, and one little pickle. on the table.